the QClick toolbar, we can see that our class is previously loaded from our last video in the Quiz Genius tab. In order to run a quiz, the 3 steps need to be completed: class, load, and run. So after loading a class in the Quiz Genius tab, load a quiz. Here, we will create a QClick Editor quiz in case you do not have a quiz already. Click on the QClick Editor tab and then click New. A blank template will appear. At the top of the page, select the template that you wish to use from the drop-down menu. In this case, select 4 options and press the Add button next to the drop-down menu. This means we will have a question with 4 multiple choice options. Once the template has loaded, begin creating your quiz by entering the question in the title box and typing in your 4 answer choices in the multiple choice boxes respectively. Our question here will be, what is 2 plus 2? Our answer choices will be 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the next question, I am selecting 2 options, then clicking Add to create the slide. Once again, type the question into the title box and type 2 possible answers into the answer choice boxes. Our question this time is, did Columbus sail the ocean blue in 1492? True or false? Then we can type true and false in the respective answer choice boxes. Once all of your questions and answer choices are filled into your liking, click on the question info icon in the top menu. The question info window will appear. The questions and answer choices will populate from all of your slides. Here, you can also set correct answers to your questions. In the top left of the window, you will see the question number. This matches each slide on your presentation. There is also a template option, but we do not need to worry about this feature at this time. The question mode drop-down menu allows you to change the type of question you wish to ask. The options are single answer, multiple answer, closed test for fill-in-the-blank questions, short answer for alphanumeric responses, and teaching plan for lecture-only slides. You can also select the activity mode. This only needs to be done if you wish to run multiple modes at one time for one given exam. In addition, you can select the point value for each particular question and set a time limit. You can also save all these settings for each question so you don't have to duplicate them every time. Furthermore, you can select the difficulty level for your questions, and you can set rush quiz settings for points being deducted for wrong answers and the time limit allowed for student responses. You can also check the All Questions and Same Settings box if you wish to use these settings for all rush quiz questions. You can also edit your questions if you've made spelling errors for your questions and answer choices. When everything is to your liking, select the correct answer in the bottom right box. In this case, it's A. Make sure to use the question number drop-down menu, switch to a different question, and select the correct answer. Do this for every slide. If you have no more changes to make, exit the window. To save your quiz, click on the floppy disk icon on the top left of the window. Once you are finished, type in the name of your quiz. In this case, we will call it QRF900 QRF900 presentation and click Save. Note, you can save your file anywhere on your computer. You can also close your window and go back to the QClick toolbar, click on the Quiz Genius tab, then click Load from the QClick main menu to load the quiz that we have just made. The open window will appear, find your quiz, select it, and click Open. You will see the load icon is now green, which means your quiz is ready for use. Once both the class and load icons are green, you're ready to click Run and start your quiz. Make sure to watch our next video on how to give a quiz.